Hi guys, it's me. Why is this not working? God. Oh God, what am I gonna do? Oh, there we go. So today we are playing. I have no idea, but it's my brother. Julian, where are you? I have no idea where to go. Ah! Now I know. I just saw it. Do we go jump here? Oh, I did it! I cry every time I hid behind the fridge. I cry every time my eyes cry. I cry every time I hid behind the fridge. So, why does this keep happening? I love obbies. Are you kidding me? There's a bloody ladder. How did I not see that before? Sorry for yelling, guys. I'm just. So, whatcha? Literally. So, you guys need to tell me if you've seen Annie, the new one, of course. Ah! Right, guys. Jillian, are you on that little tiny obby thing? Oh God.
That's it.
What?
Don't spawn. Hi.
Where are you? Ah, I found you. That's my brother, the reddest Ruby. We're kind of famous. Well, he is. I'm not. I'm nowhere near famous.
Hey.
He is the famous one in our family. Sadly.
Just go straight. Just go straight.
So hopefully this will be like, I don't know, just like a gaming channel.
Go straight.
But I don't know. Maybe. I'm going to die. Wait, what?
I wish my sister. Actually, yes, my sister can have Discord. Oh.
What about? Oh,
My sister can have Discord.
Jillian, we're on the same team. Wait, are we the hiders?
Madison, we're gonna hide in slushies.
Slushies. Oh, let's hide us.
Hide in the trash. I'm hiding in the trash right here.
Wait, how do you hide in slushies?
Where are you?
I don't know.
Get in the bin. Get in the bin.
Oh, I'm a soda cup. Bin. No, I'm not in the bin. No. Yes, I'm in the bin. Jillian, I'm in the bin. Ow. So this is fun. Fun times. Also, guys, thank you for watching. This means the world to me. I really love that. I really love that you guys are doing
Hide in the
this.
trash.
And like, and you guys are, like, supporting me. Go to spawn, bro. Go to spawn.
I'm the red
Guys.
slushie.
They should add a practice round.
Yes. Oh.
Hi, I'm with you guys. I see you both.
I haven't seen.
No. I have no idea what just happened, but I think I'm going to die.
I'm gonna give you a Discord session before we bust. I'm gonna be around.
Oh no. Oh no. No! No!
Want me to give you something?
No!
So you can talk with me and open?
Nope. Also,
Hello, tropical landscape fans that aren't watching. Hi.
No, I said that before.
Okie dokie, we're gonna cut out
I think, no, okay.
What is happening? Ah.
Okay.
I'm back. So, I swear people are in here.
Who killed me? Someone killed me!
I think I've got it, but I'm not sure.
How did that happen? Check the trash.
So, oh, what just happened? Are you kidding me? Someone just pushed me. People suck. But not you guys. You guys are amazing. I love you guys. Not like that or. Yeah, I'm lagging. Julian, I can hear you. I can hear you talking about me to your friend.
Oh wait, let me turn my volume on max. Okay.
Haha, I
Do it,
just
do it,
pushed
do
you. If you guys want to follow me on Roblox, my name is thecoolgirl8485. So, yeah. Also, comment your names, but I don't think we can comment because this is like 2019. Fun. No! No! I'm a hider! I cry every time I hid behind the fridge. I'm chill. I cry tears of lemonade. You gotta have cheese whiz.
I'm in here.
Shrek is my favorite anime. Whoa, I'm insane. So, also, the person who inspired me to do this video was my brother. So, the link in the description down below. And you guys know how hard it is, but you probably don't. Because, like, you guys probably haven't done this type of stuff before. And, yes, so...
No, I didn't.
Fun. I'm a taunt.
You can tell which book is it.
How does that work?
Did you die?
How does taunting work? I don't understand.
Please don't
Comment
stab
down
me.
below if you guys like my voice. Because, like, I've been told some pretty rude comments about my voice. But it's fine. I'm good. Me, I'm not gonna learn VC. In a VC. No, I don't have any of my oof. Get in the trophy case, boys. You don't need me. You don't need Mike. Amy, you don't need Mike. You can still listen. Hi, I X
There's a dot next to
the
your mom, so I'm gonna go check that.
enter. Hi, I exist. I don't know how to spell. No, 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 no! Oh my God, yes! Oh, I'm still a hider. Oh my God, I'm a hider. They haven't got me yet. It says fun.
Talk in.
Hi, I exist. Are you calling on big boys? He. That makes no sense whatsoever. Julian, are you a hider?
I don't know. I'm not playing right now.
I'm a hider.
I'm a hider, but like.
Lachlan's a seeker. I can see him.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, very good one.
That might give you a clue about where I am. No. 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 God.
Oh, the boss is.
Julian, are you a box too?
We won! We won! Wait, we won?
Yes! So I just found out that we won. It's fun. Kind of. Julian, I was near you because someone was chasing you. You were a box. I was a box too.
Speed!
I
Use your
cry
mic.
every time I hid behind the fridge. I cry every time my eyes cry.
Amy, your mic, ow!
Yee,
What?
ravioli,
Hi. You don't have eyes.
ravioli. Ugh! This sucks. I hate this so much. But I mean, anything you can do to
I can
get
say it.
Discord. I have no idea what Discord is. Oh, comment down below if you know what Discord is, because I have no idea
Bro,
what
me
Discord
too.
is.
Right. Yep, right.
Cool.
Yay, we're not secrets. Amy, you can hear us, right?
I'm a hider. Fun.
Amy's just struggling with life right
Wait, what's Amy's name, Julian?
Amy's name is I Ocean Eyes. Are you a table?
Me?
Oh yeah, I see.
I'm not a table.
Yeah, I'm gonna be. Yeah, alright. Where are the TVs? Where are you hiding? Oh yeah, I see. There's a lot of TVs in the show.
No! Julian, I'm a television.
I see you, Madison!
Frick.
Get on the show!
Ah! They can see me! Julian, they're coming! Oh no!
Uh-oh, spaghetti.
I'm a hider! Finder! I'm gonna kill everyone!
Amy?
Yeet! Ravioli.
Amy left Bruce head. Ah! Madison's gonna kill us! You better run, you're next.
I got Lachlan, Julian!
She doesn't know her name. What?
Haha! I saw your cup move! This is fun.
No, my sister's a seeker. Push all these boxes. That's how you figure out which one is real.
Table.
There
Table.
are like multiple
Table.
buttons.
I have no idea, but there's one more hider.
Ouch. Amy, yay. Did you get a mic?
Boxes.
Lachlan, that's. Oh, my ears. Whose dog is that?
Wait, dog? I know nothing about a dog. What is happening?
We still have a minute left.
I'm checking all
I
the...
found it!
What?
I found it! I found it!
Where?
Don't steal! Don't steal! I got it! I got it! I got it! I got it! Yay! Oh! Madison said she would do it. No, Madison said she would do it. Madison said she would do it.
Yeet. Ravioli.
ravioli.
Jesus, kind of.